So today's topic is a rectifier filter with series inductor filter. So in this circuit, as you can see, this is full wave center type rectifier with series inductor filter. So as you can see, in previous filter circuit, what we did, we have connected the capacitor here, correct? Which acts as a filter. Capacitor charges, capacitor discharges, correct? But here today in this circuit, the inductor is connected in series. So that's why what you can say that this filter is called as a series inductor filter. Series inductor filter because the filter is connected in the series with the load. That's why this is called as a series inductor filter. Correct? Now, whatever here the dark blue line output is there, this is the output of full wave rectifier. Correct? Na? This is the output of full wave rectifier. For negative half cycle of input, you are getting the positive half cycle of output, and for the positive half cycle of input, you are getting positive half cycle of output. So if suppose this is your AC input, then for this AC input, you are getting this positive and positive DC output, but this output is pulsating DC. So this same output you are getting here. This is the output of rectifier, correct? So till this we have already studied in filter topic, rectifier topic. But now today, as we have connected here filter, आपण पुढे काय कनेक्ट केलाय? Series inductor filter. Filter आहे inductor. That's why the circuit is full wave rectifier with series inductor filter. Getting? So this rectified output, which is pulsating DC, is applied here, correct? Because this is the output of your rectifier filter. Sorry, this is the output of your rectifier. So this rectifier output is applied to the series inductor. Now what happens? See, inductor, what is the function? As we know, the definition of inductor is a device which opposes change in flow of current. See the word change in flow of current means its current should be constant. Okay, but here as you can see, current is changing. So this change in input current is opposed by this inductor. So what happened? See here, this current is increasing here. See my arrow. This current is increasing, correct? So this current is increasing. Hence, this increase in current is opposed. Hence, you can see this opposition is like this. Getting? So input is changing at a large value, but output is changing slowly. From this point, see, from this point, as you can see, input is decreasing. Hence, what inductor does? Inductor try to increase that current. So at this point, your input is decreasing. Hence, your output is increasing. Correct? Again, at this point, you can see your current, input current is increasing from this to this. That's why this current, input current is increasing. That's why you can say this current is decreasing. So what inductor does? Inductor performs very simple thing that for change in input current, your output is constant. Means whatever input is changing, that change in current is opposed by your inductor. So output tries to remain constant, correct? And in case of capacitor filter, what was the case? Charging, discharging, again charging. So your output is somewhat constant. Here So as you can see, because of presence of this inductor, because of presence of this series inductor, series because this is in series with this load, correct? So this change in current is there for the input, but because of this presence of inductor, the current tries to constant. Current tries to remain constant. This is because of only the presence of inductor, correct? So it is very simple. So whatever other circuits are there, that is half wave rectifier and full wave bridge rectifier, whatever circuits will be there, the output will be in series with the inductor, correct? So this is what your center type rectifier with series inductor filter getting. So this inductor, what it does, it opposes change in flow of current. Means here the current tries to increase, but this inductor opposes increase in current. So here it is decreasing in output. From this point to this point, your current is decreasing. So inductor tries to increase this current. That's why here output is increasing. Again, from this point to this point, inductor tries to decrease this increasing current. इनपुट मध्ये इन्क्रीज होतंय म्हणून आउटपुट मध्ये थोडंसं करंट डिक्रीज झालंय, कारण की इंडक्टर त्याला अपोज करतोय. इंडक्टर शब्दच काय आहे, कंपोनेंटच काय आहे इंडक्टर? डिव्हाइस विच अपोजेस चेंज इन फ्लो ऑफ करंट. फ्लो ऑफ करंट मध्ये चेंज करणारा, बरोबर? म्हणजे तो करंटला, त्यातून जाणाऱ्या करंटला चेंज होऊ देत नाही. वाढत असेल तर त्याला कमी करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो, आणि जर त्यातून जाणारा करंट कमी होत असेल तर त्याला वाढवण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. म्हणून ऑब्व्हियसली इथे रेक्टिफायरचा आउटपुट वाढतंय, मग तो त्याला कमी करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. सी, यू कॅन सी इट दॅट इट इज डिक्रीजिंग स्लाइटली. इथे ह्या पॉइंट पासून ह्या पॉइंट पर्यंत करंट कमी होतोय, त्याला तो वाढवण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. सो दॅट्स वाय द नेचर ऑफ आउटपुट ऑफ इंडक्टर इज लाईक दिस, करेक्ट? इफ यू यूज the large value of inductor, then your current will be almost constant like this red line, correct? And this is the case for capacitor. Charging, discharging, charging, discharging. जर तुम्ही लार्ज व्हॅल्यू कॅपॅसिटर यूज केला तर तिथे अशी स्ट्रेट लाईन येणार. सिमिलरली लार्ज व्हॅल्यू इंडक्टर यूज केला तर तिथे अशी केस येणार. मीन्स इन सिंपल लँग्वेज वी कॅन से दॅट कॅपॅसिटर फिल्टर्स आउट व्होल्टेज. असं का म्हणतोय? कारण कॅपॅसिटरला तुम्ही व्होल्टेज लावल्यावर त्याचं व्होल्टेज इन्क्रीज होतोय. बघा, ह्या पार्ट पासून ह्या पार्ट पर्यंत काय झालंय, व्होल्टेज हे इन्क्रीज होते. प्लस साइन दिली मी कारण की व्होल्टेज इन्क्रीज होते. आणि ह्या पार्ट पासून ह्या पार्ट पर्यंत व्होल्टेज डिक्रीज होते. सो व्होल्टेज इज इन्क्रीजिंग अँड व्होल्टेज इज डिक्रीजिंग. So if you use large value capacitor, then this will be straight line like this. Okay? कारण की तो जास्त चार्ज स्टोर करतो, बरोबर? मग त्या वेव्हफॉर्मच्या ह्या पिरियड पुरता तुम्हाला आउटपुट काय मिळेल? ऑलमोस्ट स्ट्रेट लाईन. कारण की चार्जिंग व्हायला पण कमी वेळ लागेल आणि डिस्चार्ज व्हायला वेळ जास्त लागेल. मग लार्ज व्हॅल्यू कॅपॅसिटर असेल तर ऑलमोस्ट तुमचं आउटपुट स्ट्रेट येईल. सो capacitor rectifies voltage and filters out the voltage. Here इंडक्टर काय करतो? त्यातून जाणारा करंट जो आहे त्याच्यामध्ये होणारा चेंजला अपोज करतो. करंट मध्ये होणारा चेंजला अपोज करतो. सो दिस इज युअर करंट रेक्टिफिकेशन. कॅपॅसिटर डज व्होल्टेज रेक्टिफिकेशन and the inductor does current this is constant. मग हा कॉन्स्टंट करंट ने जर मी या कॉन्स्टंट रेजिस्टरला कॉन्स्टंट करंटने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तरी पण आउटपुट काय येणार. So as you can see that this inductor does the filtration of the current. Getting? So in this way you can say that filter is active and it is filtering out the AC component. So AC rectifier converts AC into pulsating DC. तो हा काही फुल वेव्ह रेक्टिफायर आहे, तो पल्सेटिंग डीसी मध्ये आउटपुट कन्वर्ट करेल, जे की आउटपुट तुम्हाला ब्ल्यू लाईन्सने दिसतंय. आणि जो काही डीसी पल्सेटिंग डीसी आहे तो फिल्टरच्या इनपुटला गेल्यावर आउटपुट तुम्हाला मिळेल प्युअर डीसी. जेवढा लार्ज व्हॅल्यू करंट असेल, सॉरी इंडक्टर असेल, तेवढा करंट प्युअर स्ट्रेट लाईन येणार. त्यामुळे आउटपुट जे आहे प्युअर डीसी मिळेल तुम्हाला. ओके, सो दिस इज युअर full wave center tap rectifier with inductor filter, and same circuits will be there for half wave rectifier and bridge rectifier. So bridge rectifier, same output load is connected with the inductor in series, and for half wave rectifier also output load is connected in series with the inductor. That's why this filter is called as a inductor filter. Is called as a inductor filter. So it is very simple. So we have studied till date two filters. First is shunt capacitor filter, and second is called as a series inductor filter. In next lecture, we'll study about the remaining filter, that is AC filter and high filter. And in the proof, I will share the two circuit diagrams related to series filter and shunt capacitor. So see that diagrams also, and this is it for today's lecture. So we are ending the today's session and hopefully meet in the next lecture.